In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 expert tips to design a logo that not only grabs attention, but also tells the unique story of your business. Hi, my name is Philip. I'm a graphic designer and art director. And the first tip to transform your logo from ordinary to extraordinary is to create a memorable logo. Creating a memorable logo is essential in ensuring that your brand captures the attention of potential customers, even amidst the fierce competition of other brands. And the key to achieving this is embracing simplicity in your design approach. Simplicity is paramount in logo design for several reasons. Primarily, a logo that is simple is more likely to be remembered by customers. Complex logos with too many elements can be overwhelming and confuse people, making it difficult for them to form a lasting impression and feel a connection with your brand. On the other hand, a straightforward and uncomplicated logo can resonate deeply, fostering a stronger emotional bond between the customer and the brand. And there are 3 specific reasons why a simpler logo is often more effective. A simpler logo communicates your brand's message clearly and directly. When the design of your logo is not cluttered, the message can stand out more clearly, making it easier for the customer to understand. And simpler logos are easier to recall. And when customers can easily remember your logo, they're more likely to recognize your brand in future interactions, which is crucial for brand loyalty and recognition. And a straightforward logo can be very distinctive. Without the unnecessary frills, the unique aspects of your logo are more likely to stand out in a crowded market. Paul Rand, renowned for creating logos for companies like IBM or ABC, emphasizes that the logo's primarily function is to identify. And simplicity is the key to achieving this. The effectiveness of a logo depends on its ability to be distinctive, visible, adaptable, memorable, recognizable, and timeless. And the Starbucks logo is a good example for great logo design, because creating a simple logo does not mean losing the unique story of your brand. It is more about concentrating on the important parts of your design and removing all other elements that don't really show what your company is all about. Taking inspiration from simple yet powerful logos like the Starbucks logo can help you to make a logo that is yet simple but striking. A straightforward logo not only grabs attention, but also make sure that people remember your brand. The next tip is be true to your business. Before you even start designing a logo, you should have a clear understanding of the values and ideas you want to express with it. Because instead of just showing what you sell, for example, showing books for a bookstore or showing coffee for a coffee shop, focus on the unique story of your brand. Not sharing this unique story can make it hard to connect with customers and make it tough for them to actually see what makes you different from all the other competitors in your field. All coffee shops sell coffee, but if your logo tells a unique story, you can sell a lot more than just coffee. You can sell the whole experience that your brand offers. Knowing your values, designing after them, and being authentic as a brand has 3 main values. It lays the foundation for long-lasting relationships with your customers. It helps to connect with customers and showing them what your business is all about. And it helps you to stand out from your competition. Take Patagonia, for example. The outdoor clothing brand is ranked constantly among the eco-friendliest companies, and rightfully so. It has dedicated its 47 plus years to pioneering and maintaining environmentally responsible business practices. And their logo with the colors, the mountain range, and their playful typography reflects that. And because customers are resonating with the brand's values, they stay loyal to the company. The next tip is to understand color and don't overuse it. 76% of the top brand logos only use 1 or 2 colors. And colors can trigger specific emotions and enhance how good we remember a logo. For instance, red is often connected with passion and can prompt quick buying decisions. Purple, on the other hand, is standing for creativity and luxury. Yellow is known for evoking happiness, and blue stands for trust. But these are just a few examples. It is worth looking into how different colors can actually stir up certain feelings and consider how to incorporate them in your logo, but without going overboard. Too many colors can make your logo too busy and obscure the message you actually want to send, which makes it hard for people to remember your logo. But having 1 or 2 colors helps you to create a logo that can easily be remembered by people, stir up specific emotions that you want to associate with your brand, and to strengthen your brand's story by building deeper connections with the customers, with the images and stories you're sharing. A pro tip is to start designing your logo in the beginning in black and white. Color is a huge part in branding, but it can sometimes distract you. Focusing on the design idea first, without color, helps you to focus on the core concept of your logo and getting it right. Because a weak idea cannot be saved by a good color scheme, but a good idea will hold up no matter what the color is. The most important thing is still the design itself, like the bite out of an apple, 3 parallel lines, or 4 linked circles in a row. The next tip is try different fonts and typographies. The choice of font in your logo is as significant as the visual elements. The right font can express your brand's personality and convey a sense of professionalism. It's not just about style. It's about aligning your brand's identity with the expectation of your audience. Interestingly, a large portion of successful companies, specifically 75% of the Fortune 500 companies, are opting in for a sans serif font, like Helvetica or Proxima. These fonts are favored for their clear lines and readability, making them a popular choice for conveying clarity and modernity. A well-chosen font can sharpen the clarity of your message and making sure that it's understood at a glance. It can embody your brand's personality, values, and narrative, making it a true representative to what your brand actually stands for, and can enhance the overall design of the logo, ensuring that text and imagery complement each other perfectly. For instance, consider Google's logo. The company has opted for a sans serif font as well, which contributes to its sleek and modern aesthetic. This is in stark contrast to their old logo where they used a serif font. By choosing a sans serif font, Google aligns its brand with a sense of contemporary relevance and forward thinking, which is integral to its brand's image. Just remember, the font you use is not only there to spell out your company's name, but it's a critical tool for storytelling, setting the tone for your brand and connecting with your audience on a subconscious level. Just like colors and shapes, the font is a crucial piece of the puzzle that comes together to tell the world who you are and what you stand for. The final tip is consider your logo's use cases. Your logo design should be versatile enough to look good on a variety of settings and different materials. Some examples could be on t-shirts, on baseball caps, on different materials and colors. It could be everyday items like pens, keychains, or water bottles if you, for example, want to create merchandise for your brand. If you already know that you want to do online advertising, consider the banner formats you're actually using. These vary greatly in sizes and shapes, and your logo should maintain its integrity over all of these different banner formats and not lose its impact or become distorted. So the adaptability of your logo on various platforms, sizes, or alongside other brand elements is crucial. It is not just about looking good at one context, but ensuring that your logo consistently represents your brand's identity and values, no matter where or how it is displayed. A quick tip is to displaying your logo in different sizes while you're actually creating your logo. This helps to identify potential problems early and to make sure that your logo works across all assets. If you've made it this far and you enjoyed the video and you thought the content was useful, please consider leaving a like or even subscribing. This really helps out a lot. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.